Prevost's theory of heat exchange.
Prevost's theory explains how bodies emit and absorb thermal radiation. 1. Continuous emission and absorption. All bodies emit and absorb thermal radiation continuously. 2. Temperature dependence. Hotter bodies emit more radiation than colder ones. 3. Emissivity. This measures a body's ability to emit radiation. A black body have emissivity of 1. 4. Net heat exchange. Bodies at higher temperatures lose heat. On the other hand, bodies at lower temperatures gain heat. Prevost's theory aids in understanding heat transfer phenomena. It is crucial in designing thermal systems like heat exchangers. Remote sensing uses these principles to measure temperatures from afar. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you. Take care.